Neglecting your HVAC system can lead to a host of problems, including increased energy bills. A dirty or inefficient HVAC system will work harder to keep your home comfortable, which can drive up your energy bills. In fact, up to 30% of your energy costs are associated with heating and cooling your home. Regular maintenance can help to improve your system's efficiency and save you money on your bills. Reduced comfort. A properly maintained HVAC system will provide consistent and comfortable temperatures throughout your home. Neglected systems may struggle to keep up with temperature fluctuations, leading to uncomfortable hot and cold spots. This can affect your overall comfort and productivity. Premature breakdowns. Dirt, debris, and other contaminants can damage your HVAC system's components, leading to premature breakdowns. These breakdowns can be costly and inconvenient, and they may require expensive repairs or replacement parts. Health problems. A dirty HVAC system can harbor mold, mildew, and bacteria, which can be harmful to your health. These contaminants can cause respiratory problems, allergies, and other health issues. Fire hazards. Loose electrical connections, corroded wiring, or leaks in gas supply lines can all pose serious fire hazards. Regular maintenance can help to identify and address these potential problems before they become serious. Reduced warranty coverage. Most HVAC warranties require that you have your system serviced regularly. If you neglect maintenance, you may void your warranty and be responsible for the full cost of repairs or replacement. Prolonged life of your system. Regular maintenance can help to extend the life of your HVAC system. By keeping your system clean and running efficiently, you can prevent premature wear and tear and extend its lifespan. Peace of mind. Knowing that your HVAC system is properly maintained and functioning properly can give you peace of mind. You won't have to worry about breakdowns or unexpected repair costs, and you can enjoy comfortable temperatures all year round. For these reasons, it is important to have your HVAC system serviced regularly by a qualified technician. Most experts recommend an annual tune-up, but you may need more frequent service if you live in a particularly dusty or dirty area. Check description for much more.